girl. I don't want that to happen, nigga. So I want to look really cute. Cute, not cute. Okay, so give me the relax. Oh, you want me to pick the relaxer? Can you imagine this girl? She doesn't have respect. Give it to me. She just gave me the relaxer. Imagine, she can't even hold it. She can't even hold it. Exactly. You hold it for me to work. I know a lot of person is going to ask, why can't she retouch my hair? No, she doesn't like me. If she retouch my hair, she's going to drag my skull. And I don't want that to happen, okay? So I'm going to retouch my hair by myself. So I have my toothbrush right here with me. And I'm going to open the pattern. But I don't want to use this toothbrush. I think I should use comb, right? Is it comb? Yeah, it's comb. So let me clean this, or is it looking like an ice cream? Should I lick it? No, I don't want to do that. No, no, meow, meow, meow. So let me continue. Patting my hair with my fingers is not easy, okay? I run it through down like a darling, and I'm holding this side like a baby girl. Okay, I've already applied oil on my front hair, but right now I think I'm sweating. I don't know why it's like that, but it's time for me to start to retouch my hair. So I'm putting relaxer right here, and I wouldn't want relaxer to get to the tip of my hair because I don't want my hair to cut. So from here down to the scalp, you can see. Okay, so my assistant is doing quite alright. Okay, you want to travel with me? I know you want to travel with me. When I talk to you, say yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That's what you need to do. When I talk to you, when I say my assistant, you say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She's so funny. So I want to start from the front because I really want my front hair to retouch perfectly well. Okay, so that's it. As perfect as possible. You're gonna pause. Okay, don't worry. Yes, pause. Yes, pause. Yes, pause. I was so angry yesterday. Yesterday they said my bestie came to the salon to look for me and I was not around. I was at a Leo's. I was so upset. I couldn't see my baby girl with her children. She's so cute. If I show you her children, she's just so beautiful. Like, oh my God. But no problem, it's fine. I'm gonna visit her next time, okay? So I'm sectioning my hair to put relaxer section by section. Okay, it's not gonna pain me because I've not retouched my hair for like 7 months. It's been a long time. Yeah, I've not retouched my hair, so it's not gonna hurt me at all. I just saw, by the time I will see my baby, I'm going to be so happy and I'm going to melt. When he touch me, I say, baby, please touch me again. Do you think it's easy to have a baby? But the thing is that he has not kissed me. And I used to kiss him on my dream. That's the problem right now. He does not even know I existed. I just wanted to go and see if he would talk to me today. I've been admiring him for a very long time. Let me just tell you the truth. He has never asked me out. It's just in my mind. But I believe today when I'm going to his house. You see him. Don't worry. I'll show you my baby. My baby, my dream. It's going to sweet. Yeah, it's going to sweet. Okay, back to business. Let me make my hair look beautiful. For me, myself, not for anybody. And for my gorgeous baby girl. Oh, won't I look good? I will, right? She said I will look good. Because she used to like talk to me anyhow and I don't like it. I'm going to sack her, Sha, don't worry. I'll sack her. She's not a good assistant. She's not. Okay, so I'm done with the fronts. Let's get into the side, Let's get into it. Okay. I love you guys so much. Do you want to see the transformation? Oh Lord. It's touching my ear. And I have ear hole here. Can you see that? The hole is there. I don't know how I got that. But right from bed. And I don't know the meaning of that. Do you know the meaning? I don't know the meaning, but they said it's for people that are so fortunate, people that are so good, that people that eat a lot of paprika, you know, and people that love so much food. And they said it's for a girl that will have so much money and will make so much money. That is the sign of it. And we're gonna have luxury houses, marry good husband, you know. But if you have it, tell me what I've been telling you, the signature or the sign of it, you know. But that's my, oh, the fuck is there? Okay, nobody. Let's continue, darling. Ooh, is it hurting me already? I don't know what happened to other people to happen to me. It's already hurting me, baby girl. It's already hurting. Oh, Lord. God. Why is it paining me? For real, he's hurting. I'm not joking. He's hurting me. This one is too big. This one is too big. So I have to take it gradually. Ow! That's hurting me. It's so painful. God. Why is it paining me, Lord? It's paining me. For real, it's hurting me. I'm not joking. Like, I'm not joking right now. Okay, so I've done this. Then I'm going to do the back. Okay, let me retouch my back hair. My transformation today is going to be cute. Okay. I'm falling in love with you. Let me sing for my baby. My baby that have not seen me. Okay. This. Oh! Can I have another one? Is it possible? Can I have another one, please? Please. It's hurting. Another one that to touch me. That's my assistant. She's very pretty. Let me gossip her for you. She's very pretty and she has big arms, baby boy. But look at her. She's too cute. Like seriously, she's too cute. Ah, look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her. How do you know I was gossiping you? She ran. Oh, Lord. Thank you. Ooh, I've already saw my hand here. I would love to clean it somewhere. Towel. Let me have towel. It's hurting me like mad. It's hurting me. Ooh. Oh, blow it. Supposed to blow it. So I don't cut. Blow it. First this thing. First it. So finally, look at my hair. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done retouching my hair. I just had to put little relax on my eyebrow because I wanted to slip in. I want it to look gorgeous. That means I'm gonna look beautiful when I'm old. You see my white hair? I'm going to look cute. I'm gonna be a cute grandma. So when my grandchildren come, oh grandma, say yeah, my baby. So I'm done retouching my hair. You can see how gorgeous it is. So cute. So let me style it because I told you I need to look gorgeous. I need to look beautiful. My assistant! Where is the hand of this? Where are you?
I went to do Friday.
Okay, you're here.
Yeah.
Sit right there. If I say stand up, you stand up. If I say sit, you sit.
Okay.
Don't move. Don't? Okay, so I'm taking the hair all back. I just want to take it back. You see how gorgeous my hair is looking? I'm so happy. It's looking like frontal. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. Can you see that? Look at so beautiful. Yeah, that's how my natural hair look on a natural way. So I want everything to go back. Yeah, back. I don't think I need the pattern. Do I? Should I?
Yes.
Should I put the pattern? It's better, right? Okay, my assistant said I should put the pattern. She's my assistant. So whatsoever she says stays, okay? Whatsoever she tells me to do stands. So let's put the pattern, baby boy. No, she's a girl. She's a girl. Let's put the pattern, baby girl. How do you want it? Do you want it corner? Or should I be straight? Straight, right? Okay. She says straight. Will it fit me? Okay. Okay. Ooh. It's gonna be cute then. Or should I do sides or C-cuts like this? I think it usually fits me. Yeah, let's not do center. I think we should start it like this. Yeah, like this. I used to like it like this. Should I do it? Yeah, this one, right? So my world is the final say, and we're gonna style it like that. So you see,
Yeah.
this how I'm parting my hair and taking the side to the back. Can I have a bigger comb? I just wanted to pick this one. Let me comb it. Okay, so comb it. Make sure it's cute. This pattern is fine. Okay, so then here divide it here into two like this, then a little edge control, just so tiny. I don't want it much, just so tiny. Okay, just so you know. Then I think I shared here too, so it's supposed to be two, so I'll pat this one too. Then I'm supposed to add a little edge control, a little waterable, just edge control that is available right now. So done. My assistant is showing me that she's working. I think she has been working since 2. So I want to cut another one, so you know. Then this one, and this done. There, has my baby hair done. I want my baby hair to be so cute, like so cute. Okay, that's how I want it. Then the edge control is small. So that's it. And I got in here. It's just two. I don't want it much. Just two. Okay. I need water to style this hair perfectly, but I don't have water. There is no water. There is no water. There is no water here. Okay, so you give me a little edge control. A little edge control. So small. Don't want it much. Just a little edge control. Then I'll wave it. I'm done with my waving. Choo, 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 choo. We get for one, this, and for this. That's it. So this goes for this. This goes for this. Okay. Where is this one? Stay here. Perfect. Then this goes for this. So you see, that's how we roll. See? So cute. So beautiful. So I need water to style this one. So I'm done styling my hair. So cute, do you like? So it's my natural hair at the back, okay, and here. So I'm going to do my baby hair when I'm done here, then here, then here. So let's just do a little makeup to see how gorgeous I'm gonna look like.